You serious? Are you serious? Comet Ison, still on the way, and it looks like it's brighter and more brilliant than even the scientists predicted it would be. The fizzle may be fading away, and the spectacular event that we're anticipating may come to pass. Will Ison, though, erupt and explode when it gets too close to the sun in late November? Or will it emerge around the sun, brightest star in the sky since the Star of Bethlehem that told us that a baby was born in the back of a barn? I don't know. His name was Jesus, but I know this. He is coming back again. Also, will Comet Ison bring with it meteorites, asteroids, comet dust, and anything that may, as it whips around the sun, will it affect the earth in a cataclysmic scenario? I don't think so, but it could be quite interesting what may fall into our atmosphere. We'll wait and see. Hopefully, it's just a beautiful, spectacular show. Also, we got to tell you, there's a major storm. Wind is just blowing through the United Kingdom, affecting England and France, and earthquakes in divers places. Let me get you up to speed on all of this. And we've had another X-class solar flare eruption. The CMEs just keep coming. Stephen of Oklahoma, that dream you had about two suns and people running because they were being scorched. I'm just saying. I'm going to get some coffee. You know, here's what's going on. Let me first speak about that. Thank you, Joshua, for this report. But another X flare. Earth orbiting satellites have detected that another X1 class solar flare from the sunspot AR 1875. Again, today, October 28th, 2013, this is a third X flare since October 25th. We've had 3 in 4 days. Also, we had an M4 and an M9 solar flares. So we've had 5 major solar flares, 3 of them over X. I mean, are you serious? If you go to my website and read the 12 prophecies that the Lord gave me for 2013, one of them was there would be 3 major solar flares on the sun during this year. Well, here we go. We've just had 3 in 4 days, but we also had 3 in a 24-hour period, which is the first time in history earlier this year. So certainly that prophecy is fulfilled.